In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock your financial periods in Xero in just about 5 minutes. This feature is incredibly useful for preventing accidental changes to your accounts once your reports have been finalized. So let's dive in and ensure your financial data stays accurate and secure. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to the Xero platform, open your preferred web browser and go to Xero's official website. It's user-friendly and easy to navigate. Once you're on the page, look towards the top right corner. There you will see a login button. Click on it to proceed. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Type in your email address and password that you registered with. Make sure you enter your details carefully to avoid any errors that could prevent you from logging in successfully. After you've entered your details, it's time to click on the login button. This will take you to the main dashboard of your Xero account. Once inside, it's time to navigate to the section where you can lock your accounts. Look for a tab labeled Accounting in your Xero dashboard. However, the layout might differ slightly depending on your settings and the updates Xero has implemented. So keep an eye out for anything that resembles accounting or financial settings. After clicking on Accounting, your next step is to go deeper into the settings by selecting the Advanced option. The Advanced section houses more detailed and specific settings for your account, allowing you more control over your financial data. Within Advanced, you need to find and click on Financial Settings. This area is crucial for managing the financial aspects of your business in Xero, including locking periods. Once you've opened your financial settings, it's time to take the important step, choosing a date to stop any changes. This is where you set the lock. It might be right after you've reconciled your accounts at the end of a financial period or once you've finalized your reports. Carefully select a date as once applied. Changes before this date cannot be made without unlocking the period. With the date chosen, your last step is to click on Save. It's a small but significant click that secures your financial data up to the date you specified, ensuring no alterations can be made retroactively without your knowledge and consent. Congratulations! You've now successfully locked your financial period in Xero. This means that your data for that period is secure, and you can have peace of mind knowing everything is in order as you prepare for your next financial period. As a piece of additional advice, remember to regularly review your financial settings in Xero. As your business grows and evolves, your financial data and reporting periods might also need to be adjusted. Regularly checking your settings ensures that everything runs smoothly and that your accounts remain as accurate and secure as possible. And there we have it, a step-by-step guide on how to lock your financial periods in Xero. It's a straightforward process, but one that plays a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of your financial reports. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful guides like this. Until next time, keep your finances secure and your business thriving.